Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be covering 5 penny stocks ranging from 80 cents to around $4.55 with massive potential of around 500% in 12 months. Most of these companies are debt-free and are owned by giants like BlackRock and Vanguard. So, without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I'll be going over 5 stocks starting from least favorite to my most favorite stock. The first company we'll be discussing today is Great Panther Mining, currently trading at 80 cents, and the price target according to TipRanks is $2.50, which is more than 200% increase. As per Simply Wall Street, it is trading at 93% below their estimate of its fair value of around $11. Revenue is forecast to grow 10.85% per year. Its short-term assets exceed its short-term liabilities and long-term liabilities too. Its debt is well covered by operating cash flow. Coming to our second stock, Checkpoint Therapeutics. It is a clinical stage immuno-oncology biopharmaceutical company focusing on the acquisition, development, and commercialization of novel treatments for patients with solid tumor cancers. And as we all know, top analysts predict genomics to be as big as FANG today. Checkpoint Therapeutics, ticker CKPT, is currently trading at $2.38 with a price target of $17. That is more than 600% increase from its current price. It has zero debt, no long-term liabilities, and its short-term assets cover short-term liabilities very well. It also has sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years based on its current free cash flow. Big names are associated with this stock. Fortress Biotech, BlackRock, Vanguard, all of them have their shares in this. They all own a part of this company. The third company in our list is Catalyst Biosciences, CBIO. It's a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focusing on developing product candidates in the fields of hemostasis. In simple words, they develop cure for clotting of blood and complement regulation. As per Simply Wall Street, their revenue is forecast to grow 69% per year. Their short-term assets exceed their short-term liabilities and also long-term liabilities. They are debt-free and has sufficient cash runway for more than a year based on its current free cash flow. Their average price target represents a 378% increase from the last price of $4.18. Again, BlackRock and Vanguard own this company's stocks. Next company in our list is GlycoMimetics, which is a clinical stage biotechnology company focusing on the discovery and development of novel glycomimetic drugs to address unmet medical needs resulting from diseases in the United States. Currently trading at $2.41 with price target of $14.50, which is a 500% increase. As per Simply Wall Street, it is trading at 94% below their estimate of its fair value. Revenue is forecast to grow 80.95% per year. Their short-term assets exceed their short-term liabilities and also long-term liabilities. Again, the company is debt-free and GLYC has sufficient cash runway for more than an year based on its current free cash flow. BlackRock and Vanguard hold stocks from this company too. And the last stock we'll be discussing today is currently sitting at $4.55 with price target of $23. That is more than 400% increase. Ocuphire Pharma, that is OCUP, is a clinical stage ophthalmic biopharmaceutical company focusing on developing and commercializing therapies for the treatment of various eye disorders. Its lead product candidate is Nixol Eye Drops, a once daily preservative free eye drop which is in phase 3 clinical trial for dim light or night vision disturbances. As per Simply Wall Street, it is trading at 99% below their estimate of its fair value, which they see as $470. Yes, it's currently trading at $4 and they see its value as $470. Its short-term assets exceed its short-term liabilities and it has no long-term liabilities. Again, zero debt and has sufficient cash runway for more than a year based on its current free cash flow. So, these were the 5 stocks that I wanted to get to your notice. Please put them on your watch list. They have huge reward potential. Again, I'm no financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence before investing in any of these stocks. Also, do let me know which is your favorite among these 5.